Open Google Chrome and search gmail.com. Click the three buttons on top right corner. Click the desktop site. Click the setting option. Click the See All setting. Labels. You will see three options: social, updates, and promotions. Simply click the Show button for each of them. Now first click Social button to select all and delete. Follow the same process to promotion and updates. Select all and delete 3 to 4 times until it's removed. Now open Gmail application. Click the 3 lines and scroll up. Click on Trash. Empty Trash and Last Empty. Here you can see your all unwanted mails are removed. I will guide you how to block permanently unwanted emails in next video, so if you want to permanently block these types of unwanted emails, then subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.